This is Namco's bleach and stain remover kit. In fact, it'll take out or show you how the instructions what we have right here is show you how to take bleach stains or red stains out. I'm going to introduce what you get with the kit, and I'll pull this out right here. This instruction kit, whole thing that you'll have to go by. First, you get a steam iron that has tremendous amount of steam pressure that it has. Comes out 6 portholes right here. In fact, you can turn it on, you can see it steaming immediately. I had it on standby. This is what you use to take the red stains out. Also take indentations out in the carpet where it's matted down with the pad. You get a green dye in it. These are light colors, so you won't go too dark. You get a beige, where most carpets are beige, so it's a light beige you can use on browns or tans or whatever. Yellow, your primary is yellow, blue, and red, and purple. And we get a stack of towelettes that you can put over the stain, and last, our red beverage stain removal. The first thing we do is put the red beverage. Let me move some of this out of the way here so we can do this carpet. Mainly we'll want to use green on this carpet because you have a red stain, and red is in the carpet on a brown, and brown has your 3 primers. To make this color is 3 primers. Any of your tones are brown has red, blue, and yellow in it. So your missing color is blue and yellow. So this is what we use on this once we get the stain out. First, you put your towelettes, your red beverage stain removal on the red stain. Okay, just pour kind of liberal amount on it until you get practically out of it. Sometimes this alone will take it all out. Put your towel over it. What I do is just fold it out like so, over the stain. Okay. Now a lot of times it will take the stain out, but let's say if you don't get it out right away, then just go ahead and use the steam iron. Place it over this. Okay. Over this right here. And I wait probably. It can take anywhere from 1 minute to 10 minutes, depending on how the stain is. As this is doing it, it'll take the red stain come up in the red stain into the towelette. When the red comes up in this, as I kind of advance it a little bit, so you get an idea how the red comes out. But anyhow, then take your iron. You see those steam is putting out. Okay, take your iron off. Let's see what we got. We have most of it out. What I do is generally rinse it. I'll turn the vac on. It's going to make a little bit of noise so we can vacuum the rest of the red out. Okay. Now you get a little foam in here on it, so just get as much of this out. You can even give it a rinse. Put some rinse water on it. Okay. Okay, I put a little bit of rinse water on it so you get the foam out. Just use plain water on it. Just suck all this out that you have left.
Wait, say it.
Next step is use a little green dye. Okay, spray it on, right down on it, okay? Now you can see this here going back to beige color, okay? Do it a few times so you can get it, okay? It is, okay? Blade a little more in it, okay? Remember, you should have it goes pinky. You probably could take a little more red out of this. But spray right on where the red is, okay? sometimes you can get it just you barely see it, but I always try to make it better, but sometimes you'll goof it up. So what I do is spray it as well as I can, okay? Okay, remember if you do go a little too dark or put too much green on it, you know, is steam it back out, or you can kill a lot of the green with the red. Put the red on it and then take it back to red again. Okay. Also, I have some beige dye here. If your color gets too light, just spray it with a little beige dye. A lot of foam. Pour some defoamer on here. Get a lot of foam out of the carpet. Okay. Again, this will cut all the foam out of what the red beverage stain remover left in there. Just screw it like that, and then suck it all out. Because you will leave a lot of foam in here, okay? There you go. Remember I said most of your color will come up in your rag, but a lot of times you won't have to use your rag, okay? Just put it over like that. But the rags are available. Pour this on first, and your steam will start coming out. And a lot of them come up with this rag, or a lot of times you don't need the rag. Okay, if you have any problems, you refer to your manual here. This will explain a lot about the operation, everything else, and the color you have to put back in. So that'd be conclusion on red stains. On red stains, just work with them until you get it. You might have to work 2 minutes, you might have to work 15 minutes. But don't give up. You'll eventually get it by using your red, blue, and yellow, and your green. But mainly green will kill most of the red. Use green first, and if it switches the other way, they can use red, blue, and yellow. And that explains everything in this blue manual, and also this what you get with the kit.